Hi and welcome back to the channel. How you can disable calls on Facebook Messenger. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So please watch the video till the end and let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger. Now, the calls that you want to disable, you need to choose the individual person, the chat that you want to disable the calls for. Suppose in this case, I will open this chat. Then you need to tap on the name again. This menu will open. You need to scroll a bit where you will find notification and sounds. All you need to do is to tap here. Here is, you can see a notification and sounds are enabled. So you can just simply disable that one. But if you want to just disable the call, all you need to do is to tap on that. Here you have the options. Suppose until I change it. And then you press OK. So from now on, when this person calls you, you will not get the notification. So guys, this is it. This is how you can disable calls on Facebook Messenger. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.